Good day, students, teachers, and friends. My name is Mr. Sharon Obuyas, your presenter for today. Together with Mr. Asi Ramos and Mr. Mateo Robiso, we are here to share our knowledge on one of the greatest architectural design in the world, which is the Eiffel Tower. We will discuss about the history, architectural background, and the importance of parabola in Eiffel Tower. Without further ado, let's go to the overview of the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is also known as a wrought iron tower. It roughly stands like 1,064 feet or 324 meters tall. This was built as an entrance arc for 1889's World's Fair. It was meant to be the landmark of Paris. It is costed like approximately 1.5 million US dollars. It has been repainted over 130 years, about once every 7 years. Eiffel Tower is widely known as a symbol of love. It has been visited for many couples extensively. So let's proceed to the brief history of the Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower was built by Gustave Eiffel in 1889's World's Fair in Paris. The construction started in 1887 and finished in 1889. It's been drawing people to Paris to see the site ever since. The structure is 1,063 feet tall, and for 41 years, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world.
Now that we are done discussing the historical information of the Eiffel Tower, we will discuss the architectural background. The tower is made exclusively of wrought iron. Although steel was available at the time, the structural towers can be divided into two groups: columns and cantilevers. Columns are designed to primarily resist dead loads, and cantilevers are designed for wind loads. The tower is used to introduce the cantilever as a structural form because it illustrates the most efficient cantilever's form. The Washington Monument better illustrates the structural form of a column, while the Eiffel Tower best illustrates a cantilever because of the differences in loads and shapes. Eiffel designed the tower to be 300 meters high, which is 984 feet. The basic structure of the tower is latticework columns at each of the four corners. The support reactions, the internal forces, and the internal stresses are all computed. Both the safety and the efficiency of the design are evaluated. The tower's shape was selected because it was the most efficient in resisting the wind load. Analysis will assume that the curved element follow a parabola, but actually they curve more sharply than this. Overall, internal forces are found from an analysis centered on the tower axis. The material used to build Eiffel Tower are iron, not steel. The Portland produced iron plates and beams were then pre-assembled with rivets in the Eiffel factories in Levallois, Paris. The Eiffel Tower cost a total of 7,799,401.31 francs.
Now let's move forward to the questions. What is the importance of parabola in the Eiffel Tower? Parabola is a curve formed from all the points that are equidistant to directrix and to the focus. The example of parabolas in architecture is of course the Eiffel Tower. It is known as the form of parabola. The parabola is an important structure to the tower. It is built and designed that way so that it supports the wind and so it would have more stable. Without parabolas, the Eiffel Tower would not be standing. A specific conic is observed in the Eiffel Tower all around. 4 parabolas are created given and the 4 legs of the structures. With those legs side by side, they form one individual parabolas, making an upside down U shape.
Therefore, I conclude that this building is really fascinating and how the people who helped build it. It only takes 2 years to build. Gustave was a really great man and I give him credits for designing the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower and its daring design quite ahead of its time. Gustave Eiffel received the highest accreditation for the construction of the tower, when it was renamed after him. The massive height of the tower has been useful in the field of telegraphy and telecommunications. Eiffel Tower has been a powerful and distinctive symbol of the city of Paris, and by extension, of France. At first, when it was built for the 1889 World's Fair, it impressed the entire world by its structure and daring design, and symbolized French and its industrial genius. Furthermore, there are things that made us realize that the most important thing in building the tower was its conic section, which is Parabola. Because of its unique design and with the help of 4 legs of the tower that makes it so iconic even up to this day.